deep out there, man.
No, it ain't.
That's too far away. Why is he taking it in like that?
Now he's stuck.
Your fucking A, he's stuck. How are we going to get that out? How the fuck are we going to get that out? He's sitting on the rears, look.
You got AAA?
No. I got friends and a little Jeep.
That little Jeep ain't gonna do nothing. Reverse, reverse. Nope, you're stuck.
He does at least spin two wheels, don't he?
That guy right there, he's a jackass.
Yeah, asshole coming out to help you get out of the truck.
Here's his truck. See, don't let him lie to you. He wasn't coming out to get me out of the truck. He was going to try and pull me out of the mud. He's in a little deep.
You want to get a picture of the water and the fish?
Oh, you got some. Oh, you got fish in there?
Yeah. Watch out, then. Yeah, it's probably right there. Watch your pants.
Don't worry about my phone and my cigarettes in my pocket.
Yep. Hey, CJ, can you post that on the internet?
Oh, yeah, he's got some water in there.
Yo,
I think I can.
can you? Because you're going to have to put that on so we can look at it on the computer.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's coming on my side now.
This is funny. Ah! He's not as deep as me. You see that? Yeah, it's just past there, I think. Look for Bluebell. Follow. All right, now 2 roads past that. It's actually probably just 1 road. It's called Jackson Road.